Hey little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Tap like, hit subscribe, and let's have some yoga fun.
Lotus pose. Sit down on the floor, stretch your legs forward, place one foot on the opposite thigh, place the other foot on the other thigh. Keep your back straight and breathe calmly. Easy pose. Sit comfortably on the floor, cross your legs gently, rest your hands on your knees, relax your shoulders. Frog pose. Kneel down on the floor, open your knees wide, turn your feet outward, lower your hips gently, breathe deeply. Cat pose. Come onto your hands and knees, round your back upward, pull your chin toward your chest. Breathe slowly. Cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach, place your palms under your shoulders, press gently into the floor. Lift your chest upward. Keep your hips on the ground. Downward facing dog. Start on your hands and knees, lift your hips up and back, straighten your legs gently, relax your head. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet together. Keep your arms by your sides. Lift your chest gently. Stand still and breathe. Tree pose. Shift your weight onto one leg, place the other foot on your calf or thigh, bring your palms together, focus forward. Chair pose. Stand with feet together, bend your knees, sit back like a chair. Raise your arms overhead, hold steady. Tree pose. Shift your weight onto one leg, place the other foot on your calf or thigh, bring your palms together, focus forward. goddess pose. Stand with feet wide apart, turn your toes outward, bend your knees, raise your arms, feel strong. Seated wide-legged forward bend. Sit on the floor, open your legs wide, bend forward from your hips. Relax your upper body. Warrior Two pose. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn your front foot outward and your back foot slightly inward. Bend your front knee slowly. Stretch both arms out to the sides. Look gently over your front hand. Standing split pose. Stand upright, lower your hands toward the floor, lift one leg high behind you. Balance with control. Extended hand to big toe pose. Stand straight, lift one leg forward. Hold your big toe or calf. Breathe steadily. Seated wide-legged side pose. Sit on the floor, stretch your legs wide, keep your spine tall, stay relaxed. Wheel pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, place your hands beside your head. Press into hands and feet. Lift your body upward. Child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, lower your chest, rest your forehead down, relax completely. Practice with awareness. Move with control. Respect your body.